Yeah, I suck at doing intros, outros, talking to the camera, anything like that. So, I probably won't even use any of this.
Yeah, that was a good picture you took of the sky this morning.
Oh yeah, watching the storm come in.
Yeah, we were on our way to work and we were just looking at it. It's pretty dark over there.
We went up on the top of the building I work in at Gustavus and was like, yeah, that looks cool. Let's take some pictures.
Here, let me follow you for one. Are you gonna fly?
Yeah.
I'll follow you, if you don't mind.
No.
Just for like a minute.
I'm gonna, let's see, I'll go through these trees to the little gravel road here.
Okay.
Try to follow the gravel road to the edge of these beans and then come back through the beans towards us.
Gotcha.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Jane says, have you seen my wig around? Hook and naked without it. She knows they all want her to go, but that's okay, man. She don't like them anyway. Jane says I'm going away to Spain.
I saw you go over me.
Yeah. I was trying to do a little pass in front of you.
And let's see, end of this grass, I'm going to take a right, come back towards us.
Following is so hard.
It is. Whoa, that's close to the beans. And power loop out of it. Diving right down to your truck.
That was sweet. I pretty much had you the whole time.
Cool. At this time of day, my LEDs probably show up nicely.
Yeah, that's kind of what helped a little bit.
That doesn't...
There goes the GoPro. Oh.
That's not what you wanted to do.
Damn it. Lost a prop and a prop.
Oh, when you tried to take off, did the prop just like disappear?
It must not have been on. Right? Dang it. It's annoying. I got one.
Might have captured it on my GoPro.
Right. All my motor's gonna be packed with mud. The deer's gone. Great.
It's gone already?
I don't see it now. Fuck. It's always something. I just put a new set of props on too. That's if I had a nickel for every time I forgot to tighten one prop.
She don't mean no harm. She just don't know what else to do about it. And Jane goes to the store at 8. She walks up on St. Andrews. She waits and gets her dinner there. She pulls her dinner from her pocket.
I really want to fly that tower so bad, but I just keep fail-saving anytime I get near it.
Yeah, it's gotta be putting out something that interferes with your 900 megahertz.
Yeah, my RSSI is staying at 99% the whole time.
Yep. That's gotta be it.
Or the link quality anyway.
You got the switch to 2.4.
She gets mad and she starts to cry.
Oh!
That's the beam.
Oh, you still got one hooked on you. Oh, there it goes. Oh, no, still one.
She don't mean no harm.
Have you been using the Hypersmooth like all the time, basically?
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah.
I never even think about taking it off.
Right.
Because why would I use any of those? And I forgot to record an intro because I was a little surprised that Luke was there. But it was a fun surprise. I haven't flown with somebody in quite a while, and that was a good, it was good. Hopefully he got some good footage chasing me around there. That was fun too. Saw a few deer, but we never got in the air when they were out in the field. And he was having some issues with crossfire. Must be some interference with that radio tower. Every time he got, or not radio tower, but every time he got close to that cell phone tower, he would get a failsafe in his crossfire. So I'm sure there's got to be some 900 megahertz-ish range interference coming out of that thing. Because I could go fly around it with my 2.4 gigahertz just fine, and it wasn't that far away. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this, and see you next time.